Placing an Amazon order using your Learning Fund just got a whole lot easier. In this quick tutorial, you will learn how to place an order for the students in your home. First, log into PowerSchool Parent Portal. Once you're logged in, click on the link to open your Learning Fund portal. Then, make sure you're on the Transactions screen. From there, scroll to the lower portion of the screen and click on the Amazon link. You will see a search bar appear. Now, using the search feature, type in the name of the item you are looking for. As you type, options will begin to appear. Now, keep in mind, items that are grayed out are not available for purchase. Once you see an item you want to order, you can click Details. A more detailed description will appear, and you can also select the quantity. Then, just add it to your cart. Here, let's order something else too. Now, let's say you want to order a workbook. Using the search feature, you can search for a specific title, or you can select the category, then subcategories to help you find options. From there, make your selection and add it to the cart. Now, let's review what we've ordered and proceed to the checkout. Then, review the items in your cart. Verify the quantities and product details to ensure accuracy. If you need to remove something, simply click the trash icon to remove it. To complete the order, make sure the correct shipping address for these materials is selected. Review the order one last time to ensure everything is correct. To finalize the order, click Save and Submit. And congratulations, you've successfully placed an Amazon order through the Learning Fund portal.